Hey, gents. I think I got it working. This puppy on over. Oh, shit. Yeah, the static. You brought that up last time. Okay. Oh, shit. The batteries fell out. I'm going to 3D print a different bracket for this motor. That won't take too long. Where'd that fucking battery go? Where'd that fucking battery went? Here, you can watch the cat. Good job. Killing it. Alright, so now this should spin. God damn it. Oh, that's why. Okay. No, we're good. We're good. We're good. False alarm. Okay. Alright. Tip number 2. Let's go! So, this is her favorite toy. So I'm gonna throw that bitch on there. Be sure it's tight. Oh, fuck, it ripped. It's too tight. That's okay. I gotta 3D print another one. Anyway. Okay. So now, if I hold this motor in place, and I wire it up, should start spinning. Hey man, don't poke your eye out. I mean, yeah, I guess. So, that part just got printed. Oh. Oh no, that's way too much. That's awful. All right. Finally done with it. I'm pretty happy with how this is going. Got this little holder for it. Got the motor on one side. This bracket that connects the motor to the toy, and the toy just goes through this little hole just to keep it aligned and not keep it from getting a little too wild. Okay, all right. So, what did you break? You broke some. What did you break, bro? Do you see all this stuff that I worked on? It's all for you. Okay, buddy. Back up. Back up. Go. Oh boy. Alright. There you go. That's moving a good deal. Yeah. It's not that bad. I think I can make this connection a little bit longer. This one here that connects the toy to the motor. Yeah, I'll mess with the code a little bit, but yeah, that's decent. Yeah, she'll get into that. Cool. So I was just gonna go over the code for you guys that cared. So this is the Arduino integrated development environment. So you got 2 pins coming out of the Arduino, pin 7 and 8. That's connected to the motor driver. And so when the signal comes out of those pins, that tells the motor that it needs to run. So I'm saying that those pins are output because it's going to be a signal. This doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. Turning off, I just set both of those pins to low. Turning one direction is turning one of them high. Turning it the other direction is turning the other pin high. So we're just looping constantly through turning clockwise for 50 milliseconds. Then we turn off for 1 second. We turn the other direction for 50 milliseconds. We turn off for another second. And we go back up to the top. And it's as simple as that.